Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to evaluate 1 minus 6 in bracket 1 minus 6. Some people will solve it this way and say, okay, let's use the BODMAS method, which is method of operations. So they will consider the bracket first, which is 1 minus 6, which gives minus 5, and they will come back here and say 1 minus 6, which gives another minus 5. Bracket means multiplication, and when you multiply minus 5 times minus 5, it will give you plus 25, which is not correct. It is only correct when there is bracket here, which means when you evaluate this bracket and evaluate this bracket, it gives you what we have here. The answer will be correct. But now it's not correct. This is how you do it. Since there is no bracket covering 1 and 6, what we do, we use BODMAS. Solution, using BODMAS, we consider the bracket first, which is 1 minus 6, which gives us minus 5. Then we write 1 minus 6. The bracket here means times. So here we still have 1 minus 6 times minus 5. In this case, minus 6 is minus 10, is times minus 5. In this case, minus 6 times minus 5 gives us plus 30. Then 1 plus 30, which finally gives us 31 as the answer. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.